Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on the apps. They should be on the third position from the top. So let's tap on it and tap on see all 34 apps, of course 34 in my case, and now 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here the device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications or background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.